Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also let's see what we'll be expecting this week on EURJPY. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section. So let's zoom it out and start with our trend. Our overall trend on EURJPY is clearly on an uptrend move, right? If you have to zoom it out properly, especially on your weekly time frame, you will see that our overall trend on EURJPY is literally on an uptrend move. So since our overall trend is literally on an uptrend move, we would want to know what markets will be doing this week. That should now take us down to the daily time frame. Still loading, by the way. So let's see on this weekly time frame. We had this higher high, then there was an higher low that played out, higher low here. We also had this higher high. This is also our higher low. This is also our higher high which took out this previous high, and here comes the higher low. So our next movement on EURJPY is actually a new higher high. So thereby this week we should be expecting a bullish move EURJPY. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. Market is now reacting from this level here. So we are now having one bullish candle, another bullish candle. So that should be an indication that we will now continue that movement to the upside. So weekly time frame says we'll be expecting a bullish move. Now the daily time frame is already a bullish move. So possibly new high is what you should be expecting. So and then pullback. Once you get the pullback, then you can now enter again for a new high. So above all this week, you should be going bullish on EURJPY.